What's up everybody, Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today I am going to go ahead and review one of the hottest products out there. It's the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds. The Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds come with a huge case, okay guys? This is a really big package for earbuds in my opinion. So that's the first impression of this. Today we're going to go ahead, unbox these, review them, test them out, let you know how they sound in terms of sound quality, calls, anything in between, and then we're gonna go from there and really see if these are impressive or not, okay? And before I do that, I remind you guys, the biggest favor you could do for us is hit the like button. It blesses us in the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and tech reviews, and I appreciate it. So let's get into this unboxing and review. The noise canceling Quiet Comfort Earbuds. If you check out my channel, I have reviewed a lot of Bose over the ear headphones. There's the Quiet Comfort 35, the Bose 700. There's so many earphones and headphones that I reviewed from Bose that these are a great addition. I felt like we need to get our hands on this product and really see what it's all about. So the Quiet Comfort Earbuds, again, come in a really hefty case. It's really difficult to open this case. In my opinion, oh nope, they make it simple with this pull tab. All right, but they didn't need such a big case. So let's see. I didn't want to rip anything, and I'm glad I didn't. And whoa, okay. This is gigantic, guys. This case is huge. Okay, I don't know if I love it from first impression. No wonder the box is this big, okay? Would I keep it just from first impression? No. I'm not hauling around this thing. I feel like it's a mini purse or wallet. Look how big this is. This is crazy. Oh my god, they probably sound really good, but I feel like this is huge. I mean, this is my hand, and this is how big they are. It's like holding a little car. That's just too much. All right, so what else comes in the case here, or in the packaging that's big? You get start here, so a manual on how to do things, the perfect fit, so they're supposed to fit like that. The controls are tap controls. Very simple stuff. Not gonna go into the boring stuff. Look how big the warranty manual is. This weighs as heavy as this case. It's more than the recent book I have read. Of course, it's in many languages. Bose is a worldwide product. They have different wing tips here to fit them inside. And it comes with a USB-C cable to a regular USB, as you could see here. So pretty standard, okay? Nothing crazy here in terms of design and packaging. That's all that it comes with. This is a short length. I would say it's 12 inches or so, and that's it. So that's why it comes in a huge case. All right, now these better sound amazing for the size that they are. In comparison, we just did a review on the Beats Pro Fit in comparison, okay? Look at the size difference of these two guys. I mean, if you look how thick and how big they are, it's just massive. And if you take out the AirPods 3rd generation, look at the differences in that as well. I mean, it's a huge difference. This case is just gigantic. It does have battery indicators here, but at this point, who cares? So let's go ahead and put these in and see how they feel. It does have a label for right or left, okay? So these are the right ears, and they hang down like so. As soon as I put them in, there's a nice sound being played, almost like a home theater-ish sound. They do feel great inside the ear. I'm not gonna lie, I do like wing tips. This one almost fell out, so I gotta push it in a little bit. They're ready to connect. It says I better connect them, and I'm gonna play some sound because I'm curious how these sound. There they are, Bose QC earbuds. I just connected them. It says we're connected. This has a little latch, and there's a button to open it, by the way. So that's how it is. Let's play the song. I'm just trying to get bass, and I'm trying to get quality. So oftentimes these songs are, you could kind of get an idea by playing any rap song. Okay, quality is good. This one's kind of popping out. It might be my ear. It might be the size of the ear tip. Quality's good. Bass is pretty good, but not much more bass than the Beats that I recently reviewed, the Pro Fit. So the size is a lot bigger. The fit is not as good as the Beats Pro Fit, in my opinion. I think because these are much heavier, they're kind of dragging it down, okay? And so I did press for Siri, and it goes into transparency mode when I did that, which is neat. So sound quality is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I like these in terms of sound quality. It's very crisp and clear. The mids are good, the highs are good, the bass is good. These are Bose quality products. I mean, the quality is pretty good, guys. That's what I expect from Bose. I wouldn't expect anything less. The noise canceling is better than the Beats Pro Fit, much better. With these, all I hear is sound in my ear from the music. I don't hear anything around. I don't even hear myself talking. That's how quality they really are, especially with the noise canceling, okay? Now that we know that the music quality is great, the case is huge. Let's talk about some of the options that comes with this color theme quality and what you get for $199. So first, there are different colors. There is triple black, which is what these are, the most popular color. There is soapstone, stone blue, and sandstone colors. I feel like these are like cars now that we're naming. They don't just call them gray or black or anything like that. It's not exciting anymore. It has to be triple black. This case got triple blacked out. You could get them on the Bose website for $199.99, and on Amazon right now they're $199.99. Now originally they are $279.99, and on their website they probably will go up. This might be a limited time deal, so now's the time to get these big guys if you want them. As I mentioned before, this has the best noise canceling out of many earbuds that I've tried, and I would not expect anything less from Bose. So if you want the best noise canceling, these earbuds are going to be the ones. Transparency mode allows you to make those calls. We're going to make a call here shortly and see the call quality. They advertise high fidelity audio, basically an engineered acoustic architecture. I will say they have these. The sound quality on these is amazing. It rivals some of the best earbuds that I have tested. The EQ keeps things crisp and balanced at all levels of the song so that there's no distortion. You get the good bass, you get the good mids, and the good highs. So you could swipe, tap, or press on these controls for different sound qualities and transparency mode. You could skip songs, etc., pause and play, hang up and accept calls. Very simple to use. The soft silicone and the wingtips are excellent. In terms of fit, my right ear didn't fit as well as the left ear, but I think it's just because of the adjustment. So I love the fact that you could just tap to play on these. It's not an issue. So that is a great feature. In terms of the noise rejecting microphones, that's what has the sound canceling or the active noise canceling around the earbud itself. Works really well because I would say that these are much better than the Studio Buds or even Beats Pro Fits because, in my opinion, these have the best noise canceling around from the outside environment. You're not getting a much better noise canceling out of anything. I think these are the best, but they're much bigger. Now, they say it's a long battery life. Yes, 6 hours on a single charge, but the case, even though it's this giant, only provides an additional 12 hours. So that's 18 hours versus the Beats Pro Fit gives you 24 hours. So that's a big difference in my opinion. You're getting more battery life out of the Beats Pro Fit than the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds. And they're weather and water resistant, so you could technically work out with them. However, I don't think I could jump and do jumping jacks or jump rope with these as much as I could with the Beats Pro Fits or some of the other earbuds that I have tested. I think they're a little on the heavier side, and they feel like this part would weigh down and just pop right out. So that's the feeling I get from these. And you know, they're not a bad design, but they're bottom heavy. So if you're holding them, you could tell how that earbud could just simply pop down. All right, that's pretty much it. Let's make a phone call and see if the phone call is going to be good. So here we go.
Hey Simon, what's up?
Hey Yuri, what's up? I am testing now the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds. Thanks for picking up the call. All right, so right now I have you in transparency mode. You sound really good. How do I sound?
You sound good.
Okay, great.
Nice and clear.
So these are bigger than I imagined. They sound great. The audio from them is great. I played a rap song after this call. I'll probably play one more song that does not have as much bass, but they're gigantic, man. I can't wait till you see these or do this. Check out this review. I think the case is kind of funny. It's almost like a mouse on the laptop. Anyway, thanks for picking up. I sound great, right?
Nice and clear.
Okay, cool. All right, man. I appreciate it. Catch you in the office.
All right, thanks. Have a good day.
Comment below if you guys have used these, if what you think of the size of the case. And again, just a reminder, the biggest favor you could do for us is hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It blesses us in the YouTube algorithm. So getting back to these, sound quality is not my complaint with these earbuds at all. It is the size of these earbuds. The battery life's not the best, but if you want the best noise canceling, you don't want to haul those big over the ear Bose headphones. These are really good. And for the price right now, $199 limited time, you cannot go wrong with these in my opinion. So if you enjoyed this review, again, hit the like button for us, bless us in that YouTube algorithm, subscribe to our channel, check out our other reviews on all of the earbuds that we have. We do reviews on pretty much anything from low price earbuds to premium quality, and in my opinion these are up there, but the size just kills it for me. If I was traveling maybe and had a big backpack on an airplane, I'd use these, but I don't think it's an earbud that you could take with you, such as these Pro Fits, or even in the gym, in my opinion. I don't think they're designed for that. They're probably designed more for the traveler that doesn't want the big over-the-ear headphones. But again, that's the bummer for me. Otherwise, the sound quality and the noise canceling are top-notch. Hope you enjoyed this review. Check out techvisibility.com. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you here in the next video. Thank you.